Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm going to show you guys how I wash my passion twist. You can do this with braids or any type of hairstyle in this fashion, okay? Right now I'm just showing you guys my dandruff and the debris that cakes up in my scalp. It gets nasty, and this is like actually not that bad. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse my hair with water, and I'm going to use my fingertip to start to break up the gel that's like in my hair on my edges and stuff, and just break up the rest of the debris in my scalp. Then I'm using African black soap to actually shampoo my hair or wash my hair, because I'm not using shampoo, whatever. But I go ahead and I just take it, lather it in my hands, and massage it into my scalp. So that's what you see me doing here, and I'm being very gentle. I'm not being rough at all. I do not take the soap down the strands of my twist. I allow the water to rinse the soap down the strands. But my hair is just sectioned into two, and I'm doing one side first and then I'll do the other side. So you just want to continue to go ahead and rinse this out of your hair, and once the soap is all clear, you want to do that 2 to 3 times as needed, okay? You want to get all that debris out your scalp. Okay, so now I'm taking my deep conditioner and I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some out, and I'm gonna put that into my twist. So what I'm doing is squeezing the product into the twist so that it penetrates down to my natural hair, and then I'm just lightly smoothing the conditioner down the twist. I'm not like being rough at all. So you want to do that to that whole half. And then once you finish with that side, just move to the other half and complete the wash and deep condition process on the other side. Okay, so you do want to allow this deep conditioner to sit into your hair for a little bit. So in the meantime, you know, what I like to do is wash my face or something like that. Just allow at least 3 minutes for this to sit and soak into your hair. Okay, so once that is done, you want to rinse your conditioner out with cold water. Cold water, cold water. You don't want to use hot water. Rinse it out with cold water. Okay, so now that my twists are clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in my scalp and along the twist. So I'm just pressing the oil into my scalp, and then I squeeze the oil into my twist just like how I did the deep conditioner. So just the same process. Now to help with styling, I'm just going to take this Lotta Body foam and I'm going to put that through my twist at the roots. I'm really focusing more on the roots, and I put a little bit at the ends as well. But you just want to put this through your twist to help smooth some of the flyaways and stuff. Then taking the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, I'm going to put this along my edges because I'm going to slick my edges with this and some Eco Styler gel. then just taking that Eco Starter gel and layering that on top of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Just gonna smooth my edges down. And I actually took a little bit of this gel also and smoothed it along some of my twists. And when I do my edges, I like to use a spoolie because it just is so much softer. So if you haven't tried that, you may want to try that. It feels very soft and it's not harsh at all when you're doing your edges. And then you want to go ahead and take your handy dandy scarf and you're going to want to put that on your hair just to help smooth out those flyaways as well. Okay guys, so here is my final result. I did have to go in and reattach two of the twists because they did begin to slip. This hair is very slippery, so just be mindful of that. But yes, this is 2 weeks in wearing my passion twist, guys, and I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section for me. If you are new to my channel and you wish to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. See you next time, guys. Bye.